Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the ExtraL outfit that Jenny wore in the music video, obviously. Press E here. I just did this quick face. I know it's not super accurate, but I just didn't have the time to make it super similar. Then for the hair, I will be using this one. If I could just find it. Did I miss it? I feel like I did. Oh, here it is. Sorry. And then I am going to add the default ears. You don't have to, but I'm going to do that. Then for the outfit, we are going to use this top here. And then I'm just going to turn this off, the color, and, well, the design, sorry. And then for the color, I'm going to type in 352846, and we're going to toggle to metallic. Go to the codes here, like the dressing rooms, and then select this top. So the arms look like this, again metallic with that same color. Maybe I should just save this first, the color I meant. Save color. And then for this one, we are going to color it the same in that metallic sheen. I know she only wears like a short glove, but I'm just going to make it so that it's layered again with that same color, metallic. This too, like that. And then for the dress, we're going to use this. Again, we do need VIP for this, unfortunately, to glitch the legs. Oops, metallic. Then we'll need that K dress to glitch the legs here. And just put that on. I'm going to toggle to basic dress. Like so. Then for the shoes, we are going to go out here. So like this, and then again, toggle it to metallic and color it the same for everything. So like this one, toggle it to the fourth one, color it the same, and then again with the metallic sheen. And that is how you can create this Jenny outfit from the ExtraL music video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.